What's up, everybody? Alex with Stop on Yellow RVing. Got a 2025 Jayco Precept 31UL here. This is going to be a luxury gas Class A by Jayco. This is going to be the smallest of the Precept lineup. So we'll get a look at the length on it. So you're looking at 32 feet 11 inches. This has got 3 slide outs on it. We'll hop inside, take a look around. So coming up in here, you've got your L-shaped kitchen. Good amount of counter space on both sides, and these are solid surface countertops as well. Then you've got your Furrion oven here. Then 3 burners there. Overhead microwave too. And lots of cabinet space. You've got your sink here. This is going to be a one-piece sink. Oop. I'll fix that later. But yeah, solid surface countertops. Storage below. Good spot for a trash can right there. One interesting thing, this is a slide out right here. So when this comes in, this is going to come over the top of your sink here. So pretty interesting setup. Coming this way, you got your theater seats. Even more, I'll show you some more of the storage right over here. Large residential style cabinets, all hardwood core to them too. They've given you more of like a stark white to them. You also have these titanium guides. You got your power theater seats, and there is seat belts in both these seats. Let me turn the inverter on real quick. At the same time, I'll give you another view of the coach. Coming towards the front over here, you've got these 2 large captain seats. Pretty sure that these are a little bit of a redesign for the 2025 model. And then giving you a look, Jayco did bring up your kind of view screen there for when you're driving, so you don't have to look down as much. And they put some different buttons down here, and then put a nice accent light around there. And I got the keys. We'll start this thing up. Then this is going to be running off of the V8 engine, the 7.3 liter. Sits on a Ford F53 chassis. Over on your left-hand side, you got cup holder, leveling system, control for your mirrors. And then you do have mirror heat. This is for your fog lights, accent lights, and then your emergency battery boost. And then for your headlights there. Taking a look at your screen here, it'll tell you how many miles you got till E, average fuel gallons, the outside temp. So pretty cool setup. And then over here, this is going to be where your backup camera and your side views display. So like you hit your blinker, it's going to show you the left side. And then same with your right. And then backup if you do put it into reverse there. Now we're back in park. Jayco also does the largest windshield in the industry. So you've got this gigantic 120-inch panoramic view. Then on your front, you do have a power shade that comes down. You hit a button. And then your side shades are going to be roller shades. Bring that back up. Over on your passenger side here, you do have outlets and USBs as well as cup holder. You have this nice little slide-out tray if you are doing some work on the road. You got storage around the top here. Shut this thing off. I'll show you the overhead bunk. And you do have speakers right up here as well for your JBL. Overhead bunk. We'll drop this down. This comes down pretty far. Sets all the way right there. Large size bed. I think it's a full, if not almost a queen, something like that. You lift this up, You do have a table that drops in right there, so that's where it's stored. And then you do have these nice slats, almost like a box spring style. Then we'll bring it back up. While we're doing that, I'll give you a view of the dinette over here. So it is a legless dinette. So it sits on a gas strut. It does make into a bed. Then there is 4 seat belts around your dinette as well. I'll show you something cool. TV's on a televator here. So we'll prop you up there. So you hold that button and the TV's going to come up. And then it is a smart TV as well, 50-inch. Then you have your JBL soundbar right there. There is USBs, outlets. There's also outlets on that side of it too. And there you go. Connex TV. That's it all the way up. All right, moving on. Coming around this way, this is right over the door. Got a little storage, coat hanger there. Then you've got some buttons to work your lights, and then your patio awning. Down below, your main power switch, and then to turn your power step on and off if you don't want it coming out. Heat duct. And coming this way, back to the kitchen. More storage over here. And then you've got your GE full-size residential refrigerator with ice and water on the door. Taking a look in there. French door fridge. Good amount of space. Coming towards the back, you do have the split bath right here. So you've got your shower on the left, then bath on the right side. You do have privacy with this. So you open your bathroom door, and you do have a blockage there for privacy. Taking a look in the shower, got your glass doors, skylight above. And then checking out your bathroom here. Large size vanity, storage below. Porcelain foot flush toilet. Then you do have your medicine cabinet above. Coming over to this side, show you the shades in here. So you do have shades or screens and shades, and they do meet in the middle. So good for airflow and privacy. These are blackout shades too. You've got another coat hook right there, good for towels. Then up top you do have a vent fan in the bathroom, and there is an AC duct in here too. You're going to have two 15K ACs on here. So one here, then one back in your living space over there. Then it is ducted throughout. Coming into the bedroom, king size bed on it. Let's see. A little bit of storage below it. And then it is all plywood bases. And then using a pretty good mattress in here too. Then you've got outlets and then pop-up chargers on both sides of the bed. It does come with the bedspread, so you get the pillows and the quilt. More pop-up chargers right there. Then outlets right down there next to it. And you've got storage up top. Checking out the wardrobe space. Huge wardrobes in here. You do have another smart TV in the bedroom. So you've got hanging space there. Drawers. Ton of drawers right here. Lots of storage. Fit all the clothes. A little hidden storage behind the TV area there too. Coming this way. Another wardrobe, so you can have his and her wardrobes. This is going to be the ladder for your overcap bunk that I showed you earlier. Then accessories and manuals are in there. And more storage below. You might see some of these things around the coach. These are thermistors, so pretty much temperature sensors. So what that's going to do, You've got your Firefly tablet screen over here, pretty much the brains to your camper. So this is going to be where you work your HVAC system, your lighting, your awnings, your generator, all that good stuff. Slides as well. And you can check your solar too, see what that's bringing in. There's a 200-watt solar panel up on top of here. This is for your inverter here. Your refrigerator does run off the inverter going down the road. Alright, it's been a good overview of the interior of the Precept 31UL. We'll jump outside and we'll take a look at the outside of it. So coming this way, this is going to be right next to the door. You got your two 6-volt AGM batteries on your MoRide slide-out tray. Then you do have your onboard propane tank. This is all vacuum bonded fiberglass sidewall as well. 16 minutes, 144 tons of pressure. Keeps them all nice and bonded together. Open this up, you've got your outside entertainment. So you have another smart TV. So this comes with 3 TVs in it. You do have your JBL sound system out here too. Checking this out, this is going to be your storage. You do have these motion sensing lights in here too. Got all this nice rotocast plastic baggage lining. Then this is going to be your Go Power for your solar panel up top. Gas electric hot water heater. You've got this nice back cap to it for aesthetic look. Roof ladder to get up top. It is a one-piece fiberglass front cap, and it also is a one-piece fiberglass roof. Coming around the side, gas fill here right off the back makes it nice and easy. Storage bay with your power cord. Oh, it is a detachable power cord now too. That's nice. Here's going to be your wet bay. So you've got your Nautilus system right there. So it'll show you all the different ways that you can set your valves. Outside shower on it, onboard water filter, and a little paper towel holder over here too. Coming down this way, this is going to be where you empty your tanks. So you hook up your sewer hose to right there, and you've got your valves to empty. This will be your generator. This is going to be your Flex Power 5500-watt gasoline generator. It's going to run right off your gas tank, and this has a 80-gallon gas tank on it. And you got your pass-through storage down right here. This is going to go to the other side as well. And another pass-through. So you have about 2 pass-through storages on this 32-foot coach. Then more storage. Checking out the tires, you've got Michelin's on here, 22.5 inch. You can see the Ford V8. You've got your side view mirror. Camera's right in the side view mirror. We'll come around the front of it. So beautiful coach. Nice kind of chrome finish on the front here. This is going to be your engine bay. So that'll drop right down nice and easy. As you can see, you got your washer fill right there. And chassis battery over here. Push that back up. Pop those into place. You have oversized wipers on here. You got 32-inch wiper blades. Come back towards the front. Also equipped with the J-Ride Plus. So you've got the Hellwig helper springs on it, stabilizer bars, computer balanced drive shaft. Also slide toppers on all of your slide outs here too. And then your power awning is right up here. So it goes from the beginning of this slide pretty much all the way to the back of the coach. Get another look back inside. So this has been Alex, Stop on Yellow RVing. Overall, great look at the 2025 Jayco Precept 31UL. Please like, subscribe, comment. I'll be back with more 2025s. Thanks for checking it out, and catch you in the next one. Thanks.